After I learned this recipe, I never had high blood pressure again, and my cholesterol was clear. It cleanses the body and will make you feel thinner. Besides being a delicious recipe. Before I teach you, tell me here below the city or country from where you are following this video. One of our ingredients is chayote. Chou-chou helps to lower the pressure and also helps to eliminate that excess fluid in the body. So whenever I feel bloated, or my blood pressure has changed, I replace my dinner with this recipe for a week. You are going to peel the chayote. Then cut them into small cubes. I put them in a pan and add the juice of 1 lemon. I'm using a sieve to hold the seeds, we just want the liquid. We are going to add 3 very large cloves of chopped garlic. Next, add 1 large chopped onion. But if you have those homemade spices, you can add them. Add 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add homemade sardines. But you can use the market ones too, no problem. Add oregano to taste, saffron and green smell to taste. The oregano will help to deflate the body, and is even great for getting rid of worms. I put it in a pot and let it cook. I added water too. And now this delicious dish is ready. It's very tasty, folks. Not to mention that it's very fast to cook and also nutritious. Instead of sardines, you can use shredded chicken. Always look for something light. I am going to pass on a message that is in John 3:30. He must increase, but I must decrease. He who is from above is above all. He who is from the earth belongs to the earth and speaks as one who is from the earth. He who comes from heaven is above all. When a person is converted or accepts Jesus, the ministry of the Lord grows. However, we need every day to tell the good news of Jesus so that many people can know him. I am very grateful for your company. May God bless you. Until the next video. Bye.